Hey beauties, welcome back to Dominique's Vanity Corner, and today I want to show you guys how I prepare my natural hair for protective styles. So this is the highlight Rapunsel hair I'm using by RastAfriBraid. This is 84 inches of braiding hair, you guys. So it's ombre, it's 613, that blonde color at the bottom, pink, purple, and then black. So first things first, I shampooed my hair using Camille Rose Naturals. This is the clean rinse, moisturizing, and clarifying shampoo. And then I deep conditioned with the Algae Renew deep conditioner. Both are bomb for natural hair, y'all. And then this is not a natural hair product, but this is a Silk Plus Forte by Vonte. It is a heat protectant, so I use this right after I deep conditioned for the blow dryer because I wanted this hairstyle to last. I did use a blow dryer, but this will not be a habit. I am not making heat a habit, but if you ever do use heat on your natural hair, always use a heat protectant. So this right here, I just want to show you guys how my hair looked with the Camille Rose Naturals, the deep conditioner. My hair really kind of sucks this up. This is when I first applied it, but my hair is going to just suck this up. It's thirsty for the moisture, so this is the stuff that's going to, get it back nourished and full and healthy. After I rinse out the deep conditioner, I towel dry it, not with a towel, but with a t-shirt. I hate how my hair feels on the towel. Sometimes it kind of pulls it out, all that friction, so I don't use a towel, I use a t-shirt. So here I am applying the heat protectant. It's a leave-in and a detangler at the same time. So, kill two birds with one stone. And right here, you can see that one side has already been blow dried and the other side still has a product. So I do have shrinkage, y'all. Shrinkage for days. And here's my hair after it's all blow dried. It's growing, y'all. It's not all even because I have a diva cut, but nonetheless it is growing and flourishing. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I don't do a lot to it. If you want a more detailed video, let me know in the comment section. I would love to share that with you guys if that's what you're looking for. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The routine is super simple, not too many steps. I am going to have a follow-up video about this hair that Miss Serving Glamour is using on me and what she used on Miss Stephanie back there too. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.